Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Charlotte Walker, and I will be your course preceptor for the course, Introduction to Art and Artistic Expression. Art is the universal language of humanity, an enduring mirror that reflects our emotions, ideas, and socio-cultural evolution. From prehistoric cave paintings to contemporary digital installations, art has been at the heart of human experience, shaping and being shaped by history, philosophy, religion, science, and politics. This course, Introduction to Art and Artistic Expression, offers an expansive, multidisciplinary, and intellectually immersive initiation into the world of art and its infinite expressive potential. Target audience. This course is ideal for university undergraduates and general education students, secondary school art teachers and students, emerging and self-taught artists, creative professionals, designers, illustrators, photographers, art lovers, museum goers, and cultural critics, anyone interested in understanding and appreciating the visual language of art. Learning outcomes. You completing this course will be able to define and describe the major forms, purposes, and philosophies of art, conduct visual and contextual analysis of artworks across periods and cultures, engage in informed art critique using appropriate vocabulary, execute creative tasks using different media and approaches, interpret how art influences and reflects society, politics, and human identity, begin or deepen their journey toward a fulfilling personal and/or professional artistic practice. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.